going to install the grill now. Gotta get the pieces for it. Been sitting on the shelf, so I'm gonna clean it first. I just blew it off with some air. Gonna clean it. And yeah, we're gonna get this installed right now. Let's rinse it off. Looks good. Wipe it off. Get these as well. I'm gonna screw these off here. And we need this as well. All right, I guess the first thing I'm gonna do is make these two, because it's dusty from sitting off to the side after I painted it. So let's clean this off since we cleaned that off. All right, let's turn this on the back side. And we gotta put something underneath this to raise this up. Okay, as we prepare to install the grill, I want to address a couple things. Well, these, it's not gonna work. How this one look? Let's see. Not bad, but yeah, let's get these all cleaned up. Okay, this is what we're gonna use right here. Get a wire brush on the end of the drill. And give me some rubber gloves on. Got a mask on because I'm not trying to inhale any chemicals, period. We can kind of spray it and pull it out some so we don't make a mess. And just clean it. So let me get some gloves. All right, I think we got it. Much better than it did. Trusted our bad on this one. And this one looks nice as well. All right, let's get ready to install let's find some bulbs first. Let's find some bulbs first. So here's every single bulb that the Mustang II takes. And we need the 1157. We're replacing the front park and turn signal. 1157 would work. So just to kind of let you guys look over it. All right, so I bought this set of bulbs from a auto parts store about maybe 10 years ago. The store had been closed for 20 years. It had been out of business for 20 years, so they finally want to have a sale to sell all the old inventory. It was a lot of very older cars. I hate I didn't record this, but around 2015, 2014, I was invited, just a handful of people invited there to look at all the cool stuff they had. So they had a gazillion automotive books and all kind of little stuff like this, and I bought them all. So these are vintage bulbs, probably from the period sometime, but you got all sorts of bulbs in here, fuses, etc. I actually bought 3 boxes of bulbs like this, quite a few things I'll show you all later, but yeah, that's fine. Some 1157s. No, I got some in here somewhere. Let me grab a couple out of here. All right, we got both of our bulbs. So these are new old stock bulbs. Let's install them and get ready for the grill. There's a longer side. There's a longer side. Shorter side. You can actually look in here and see exactly what side goes where. And we got both of our bulbs in. You know what? That's all. I'll take them back out. Let's add something in here. Take both of them back out for right now. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use. I don't know why I didn't grab this at first. I use this stuff religiously on all electrical components, especially these headlight bulbs. This is great for that. So let's add a little bit in there, around there, so it won't rust out anymore. And then we're gonna reinstall them. Alright, now not concerned about that rusting anymore. That's gonna be nice. We'll do all of them like that when we get to them. Alright, let's put this away and move to the next step. You can actually kind of put the bulbs in position. So we're set on here now, but as you all see, we have some broken stubs or these plastic tabs. They protrude out. That one's broken, that one's broken, and I've seen this on pretty much all the grills that I've had. That's been removed because they take locking washers, and I'll show you all that as well. That one's broken, so we only need 1, 2, 3. We're gonna be able to get down on there. Maybe that's too short. This one's broken, that one's broken, and that's fine because it does bolt up with the grill itself. So if they're all broken, don't panic. It still will bolt up just fine. This kind of holds it in place. You can put it up there as one complete assembly. All right, let's find the correct size for those locking washers. So here's an assortment of them, and I believe these may be too big. Let's go check this one out. Let's see. Yeah, that's too big. The next size under should work. So I'm guessing this size will work. Let me take them out the bag. All right, there we go. These may work. Let's go see. Okay, we'll get these to work. All right, let me get the other ones on. Yeah, I couldn't get them to go over there, but it's okay. So I guess the next thing I'll do is pop these clips on here for the emblem or the Mustang Cobra emblem. All right, we got that mounted. Use a little bit of grease to help slide it on. All right, so I guess we can clean the fog lights and put them in position. Maybe a little grease here as well. So these bulbs are original to this car. However, this grill is not. This is from a newer Mustang. I think this came off of '78. So this is why this made like this, and you can see there's a gasket around this because it's seated inside the old grill. But it's gonna work just fine here. You should also see left hand, right hand. I should have cleaned the back side up, but no, it don't matter. Let me just wipe that off a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, that's better. Much better. We can accept that. Not perfect, but it is clean some. So let's get those clamped. There's 4 of them, and clamp these down in place. So here are those clips. It locks them in place. Let's go install them. We locked in place. We can take this thing to the front and put it. Oh, let's do the Cobra emblem first. Let's rotate it. So our emblem mounts there. Let's get it, and then we can start getting some screws. Let me show you all what I believe what screws go in here, because I lost the bag of screws, particularly for this grill, but I believe I got the correct ones, but we'll see. They're gonna work anyway. So there's 2 sets of screws that I have. I believe it's these or these, but we're gonna see. So here's the original emblem from 1976. I scuffed it up pretty good and it turned out really nice. So it sits like so. Looks good. We can position this in place, guys. Install this. We're gonna get the bulbs installed first and sit in position and get 1 screw started. that's it. It's installed. It's all starting to come together. My vision for this, although basically 100% original, but with my little touch on it, starting to come to me. My vision. Looks nice. Yeah, that's it. It looks nice. It looks really nice. Starting to come together, and I'm very pleased with how things are going. Although I had to redo the chain spoil and a couple things I had to redo, and that's just how I am. If I don't like it, it's coming off, and I'm gonna redo it again to my liking. All right, stay tuned for the next video. I'm not sure what it's gonna be. Probably pop that hood on. Waiting on some headlights to come in. May slap the bumper on. So hope you found this video helpful. Please hit that like button for me, because what it does is it puts me in the algorithm, and these detail how-tos can help future Mustang II owners from years to come. You know, I don't want the content to go lost because I'm putting so much time and effort in to doing these videos. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Terrence, I'm out.